Get Apple Music free subscription, limited time offer. Apple Music has extended its free trial for new subscribers. Instead of 1 month, you now get 3 months of free music streaming. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, or Mac running the latest version of the operating system. Apple Music is a music streaming service with over 100 million songs, ad-free for one to stream high-quality and immersive audio. Users can play their favorite tracks and discover new ones. Further, it gives access to exclusive content. However, to claim the 3-month free trial, users must be new to Apple Music and sign up on an eligible Apple device. This is a limited time offer from August 7th through September 23rd, 2023. After the trial has ended, users can go on access with a monthly subscription of Apple Music at $10.99. The extended free trial allows one to see all of the noteworthy features, time-synced lyrics, enabling one to track their favorite songs and music videos that add a visual dimension. Additionally, users can access Apple Music Classical, which provides a vast library of classical music, and enjoy lossless and spatial audio playback, which delivers high-quality sound. More than this, Apple Music provides customized recommendations, hosts exclusive content from top artists, and hosts live radio stations, thus making it a music streaming service fully loaded with features. These can aid in making the consumption of music smooth and engaging in nature.